What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great weekend, or I'm sorry, having a great week. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a new lens that I just bought for my Panasonic G7. For those of you who don't know, I bought myself my first actual camera. For those of you who do know, usually I have always shot with my channel with GoPros and strictly GoPros, so I decided to up my game and get myself a camera, and I went with the mirrorless Panasonic G7. I did a previous video on another unboxing that I did for a 25mm, which is a pretty decent lens. For those of you who may or may not know, I'll drop a link in the description on that unboxing, as well as what that looks like with attached to my camera and being used. This is the 45 to 150mm that I bought from Best Buy. Online, which is weird. On the Panasonic website, it's a $250 lens. At Best Buy, it's actually $149.99. So it's about a $100 difference between what Panasonic sells on their website as opposed to buying it from the local Best Buy at my store. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and then just talk to you a little bit about it. Again, I'm not very good with lenses, as this is my first time using any type of camera like this. I've had point and shoots in the past, and so I've never used anything as extensive as this. So you have to kind of bear with me if I don't know that much, if I sound kind of like, you know, just babbling. So pretty standard. It comes with a shroud. This is the lens itself, nicely wrapped up, and it looks like it comes with, you know, the typical interchangeable lens. Talks about inline it's a interchangeable oblique it has a stabilized lens, basically, is what it's saying. As you can see from here, it's a stabilized lens, HD, it's a micro four thirds. So we're gonna get right into unboxing it really quick. So as you can see, it's actually pretty big. It doesn't give it justice when you actually are looking at it and not holding it in your hand, as opposed when you get it home and you actually start looking at it and you're just like, oh my goodness, it's pretty big. But actually, it doesn't look like it'd make your camera that much more bigger or that much more heavier. Again, because micro four thirds lenses, not all are extremely heavy, they're actually pretty light. So as you can see from this, it's going to come obviously with the body, the connector cover, as you can see from there, and then it's going to come with the lens cap. As you can see from there, it's pretty big. It is a telezoom lens, so you can see 45 to 150. So you have from 45 spot all the way down to 150. So it does give you very good close-ups. It does have optical image stabilizer. So that's what the OIS means, is optical image stabilizer. So you can take videos and recordings and while moving without the worry of will it shake and jar as you're holding it. So it does a pretty good job of that. This is the lens shroud, as you can see right here. I believe pretty much all lenses that you buy, or all camera lenses you buy, will come with some sort of a lens shroud. As you can see, that just simply attaches to the lens like so, and there you go. So I will be doing a quick in-depth a little bit after this later on. Once I get some time to actually use the lens, I'll just kind of do a little bit of a quick kind of review of it. I just want to do an unboxing of it. As you can see, it comes with this lens. I bought this on my local Best Buy for about $150. And the Panasonic website is a $250 lens, so you can imagine something you don't want to break, because it's not every day that someone can just drop down $250 on a lens. So that's why you have to use the lens cover for the lens and the body cover for the connector, so that you don't damage it. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So I want to thank everybody for watching my video. Please hit that thumbs up if you like this. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell notification, that way you won't miss content when I drop it. I do drop content once every Thursday, but I have this unboxing and I have one more video that I'll be posting, and those will literally be my last two videos until I come back from VidCon, which I mentioned in my last video if you didn't watch that one. I will be attending VidCon between the dates of July 10th and July 13th. And my brother's birthday is on the 4th of July, so that falls on a Thursday, so there won't be nothing coming on. There won't be anything going on there. And then after that week, I'll be working one more week, and then I will be leaving. Or I'm sorry, no, after that week, I will be leaving that following Tuesday. So I really won't have any content as far as videos of any sort until I come back from VidCon. But if you're not following me on Instagram, or if you're not following me on actually, you should just follow me on Instagram. I have the link in my bio on that. I will be posting a lot of photos and a little bit of short videos on that, and my Snapchat, which I don't really use that often, but I do have a link in my bio for Instagram. So you want to hit me up on Instagram. For those of you who may not know what VidCon is, it's a convention for YouTubers and social media lovers alike, so people who love to do videos and who do videos like myself, and you want to meet other like-minded people who also love to do the same thing and have passion about doing what they want to do. I highly recommend going to VidCon, as it's a wonderful event. There's a lot of sessions that you can go to, and it can kind of give you tips on how to grow your channel, how you can also do networking lounges where you can meet other people who also do the same thing, and you can you might be able to collaborate with a few fellow YouTubers who may live in the same area, and it's a pretty awesome event. I've been going to it ever since 2017. This is the 10th anniversary, so this will probably be my last one that I'll be attending, but I will definitely be bringing this lens along with me, and I will be using it a lot, as there's a lot to do in California. There's a lot to see. So again, thank you everybody for watching. Just do a quick heads up, I am doing a giveaway of a GoPro once I reach 245 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. That's the way to enter. Hit the bell notification, that way you never miss my videos. And thank you all for watching.